Hello.
Your Excellency.
Good.
How are you?
Fine.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
This is what is our icon. Is the Mr. Rajamouli.
Aha.
He is the director.
Okay.
So not only in whole of Asia, I can say that. And this is Mr. K.L. Narayana. He's the producer of the movie.
Okay. Yeah, tell us about your movie.
History, the tribal history of Africa, and I wanted to know for film shooting.
Okay.
At the moment I set foot, I'm having a great time here. And has been developing for like years, right?
And you've been
There, but it's not enough. For 2 weeks is not enough to shoot
in India, especially in the area that we are shooting. So we do.
Handshake.